Hello and welcome. Ansys Fluent is an industry-leading, state-of-the-art CFD simulation software for modeling fluid flow, heat transfer, chemical reactions, and related phenomena in complex real-world geometries. Ansys Fluent has built-in capabilities to cover a majority of situations, but there may be cases which require further spatial customization. In such a case, the user-defined tab of the Ansys Fluent software can be used, and this is the focus of this course. In the first lesson, we will briefly discuss about the user-defined tab with focus on field functions group. In that, we will learn how to define new custom field functions, units, and also learn how to create input and output parameters for a parametric study. In the second lesson, we will discuss expressions in detail. We will learn the basics of the Ansys Fluent expression language and understand how to define expressions for various situations like defining boundary conditions, creating special post-processing variables, etc. We will also learn about what named expressions are and how to define them. Finally, in the last lesson, we will perform a hands-on simulation involving steady laminar flow through a pipe with air as a working fluid, where we will see in detail how the various features of the user-defined tab in Ansys Fluent can be used. So, without further delay, let's get started.